Today's video is going to be on the proper handling of cut and stack labels.
Right.
Introducing today, we have Dave Bobick, Oak employee for 26 years. So Dave is absolutely a cut and stack label handling expert. So Dave, why don't you show us what our customers would do when they get a stack of labels in like you have here, shrink wrap. What's the proper way to open that up and handle those labels? Can you go through that for us?
Proper way of opening a 500 packet of lift is put the package face down. Use your finger or a pencil or something and put a little hole in the package and just tear it open. To be gentle about it. Pretty simple. Tear it open, get it out of your way. Take your cardboard out of there. Package is ready to be loaded into the machine.
Dave, is there any special handling, anything we need to do now with the labels to make sure they run through the line properly?
Yes, you can do a visual inspection on the package itself. Make sure it's jogged together. Make sure there's no mixed sheets, which you can see there is a barcode on the end of the package that lets you know if you have mixed packages. That's what these barcodes are for.
So in other words, if there was a label in there that wasn't correct, the bar wouldn't line up and it'd be pretty obvious to see that, wouldn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And it's real obvious. I mean, you can do all kinds of tricks with the paper to get it to bend which way you'd like. Get it right back in there and handle it gently. Simple as that.
Okay, what would be the next step after you did the visual inspection, just to make sure the barcodes are all correct? What would you do then next with that bundle?
I would get the labels out of here and put some air in them. Simple as taking your two hands, getting them underneath the package with your fingers, grab it with your finger and just bend your wrists, and that gives all kinds of air into the package.
Okay.
That lets air for easy removal for loading purposes.
On a Burt label.
And set it down, and it's got plenty of air in it, and it should release into the can pretty freely.
Okay, I noticed that you took the one label off. Why did you do that?
Because this particular company has cardboard on the bottom.
Okay, but other than that, you wouldn't have to do that.
No, correct.
Why would you fan them? Why do you want to get the air in there?
Shipping, you're stacking them together, the weight on top of each other.
Compresses them?
Yes, and it allows air in between the paper, and it's going to be easier for distributing to the can because you're putting a can on a label. It just gets air in it and it releases much easier.
Great.
It takes the stiffness out of the paper.
Okay, so it kind of gets it prepared to roll that can over the label. Pick it up one at a time so that you're not picking up extra labels or scrapping labels or anything like that.
Yes, sir. Instead of picking up 500 at a time, you can pick up 250 at a time. You have more access of controlling what you're doing. Look at all that air in there. And it's going to help release into the machine.
Excellent. All right, Dave. Thank you very much. Appreciate the learning session here.